Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today we're going to show you how to prepare your home for winter. First thing you want to do to prepare your home for winter is you want to go around and inspect your entire house. You want to make sure that there's no exposed areas where bugs and critters can get inside your house. You want to make sure that there's no big holes, big gaping holes on the roof, underneath the overhangs, at the bottom of the siding, down around your doors. There's numerous areas where they can get in, and you want to make sure that you go ahead and repair all those items so you don't have a problem later. You also want to take care of your pipes, any of your faucets, outdoor faucets. You want to go ahead and wrap those, cover them up. They actually sell these little styrofoam covers that you can actually put over your hose bib, and it'll actually protect it from freezing. You also, if you've got a lot of plants or trees that are not, they don't handle up to the weather very well, you want to make sure that you wrap those accordingly, or actually drape plastic over them, or any of those type of things. These are just some of the ways you can prepare your home for winter.